Here we go. So the circle chapter, first unit. This is our last unit of the school year, so we are closing in. So parts of a circle is going to be the first lesson, and you're going to see some things that are review. Parts of a circle. Boom. So you have a circle, and we've already seen the radius, but that's an important part. That's a line, or a segment, I guess, if we want to be more precise. Segment from the center to the circle. If this is our center, our radius is right there. We used that last chapter and the chapter before with our circle formulas and with our sphere formulas. Now, we also have a new term called a chord. All a chord is, well, I'll draw a picture first. The chord just looks like this. Well, what is it? It's just a segment that starts at one side of the circle and goes to the other. That's all a chord is. A segment with endpoints on the circle. Boom. There we go. I wouldn't label the center. I should label the center. That dot is the center. This is our chord. There we go. So there are most of our terms. We will add one more, and that is the diameter. The diameter, if I draw it, ding. There's my diameter. The diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Remember, what's a chord? It's a segment that has endpoints on the circle, one point here, one point here. But the diameter is the biggest chord, or the chord that goes through the center of a circle. And of course, you've got your formula, diameter equals 2r. Remember, all a diameter is one radius right next to another radius. Again, you can always pause the video if I go too fast for you. But there's one new formula today, and that's the circumference formula. Boom. You've probably seen this before. What is circumference? It's like the perimeter of a circle, or the distance around the circle. So if you were to have a circle, again, it's just that distance around. We still need the radius. So the circumference would be the black line. It's just what makes the circle the circle. And the circumference formula is C equals 2 pi r. Okay. So circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. And of course, remember that pi equals 3.14. So if your calculator does not have a pi button, you can use 3.14. So there it is for the first lesson of the circles unit.